Now she want a photo. You already know that you only live once. It's the motto, nigga. YOLO. We bout it every day. Every day. Every day like we sitting on the bench. Nigga, we don't really play every day. Every day. Fuck what anybody say, can't seem 'em cause the money and the way real nigga wassup. It bothers me when the guards get to acting like the broads. Guess every team doesn't come complete with niggas like ours. That's why I see no need to compete with niggas like y'all. I just ask that when you see me you speak up, niggas. That's all. Don't be ducking like you never wanted nothing. It's feeling like rap changed. There was a time it was rugged back when if a nigga reached it was for the weapon. Nowadays niggas reach just to sell their records. Spaghetti bolognese in a Apollo Lounge. Me and my G from DC. That's how I roll around. Might look light, but we heavy. Though you think Drake would pull some SHT like that, you never know. $1 million meetings in Apollo Lounge. Me and my man Oliver North. That's how I roll around. Shorty wanted to tell me secrets about the rap, nigga. I told that bitch it's more attractive when you hold it down. Kobe about to lose 150 M's. Kobe my nigga, I hated it. Had to be him. BTCH, you wasn't with me shooting in the gym, huh? Bitch, you weren't with me shooting in the gym.